is session 7 of Year 9 revision, and the topic this time is atomic structure.
You've got the 4 activities to do today, and the first thing is you're going to draw a table comparing the properties of alpha, beta and gamma, and you need to be including a description of the structure. So you've probably drawn this lots of times before. So you're looking at alpha, beta and gamma radiation. You need to be thinking about a description of the structure of the type of radioactivity. Think about the penetration. How far does our material travel through the air? What materials block it? Think about the effect of a magnetic field on alpha, beta and gamma, and then don't forget about the distance through the air, distance through air that our different types of radiation can travel, and then the final column is that type of radioactivity ionizing or not. So that's the first activity. And then second activity, you're going to be looking at describing Rutherford's 3 findings in the alpha scattering experiment. So probably the best bet is if you draw your piece of gold foil and do a diagram and annotate it showing what happened when Rutherford fired his alpha particles at the gold foil, and there were 3 main findings. So your keywords are gold foil, deflection and alpha particles. The third activity is to write out the equation for the alpha decay of uranium-238, and then you're also going to write out the equation for the beta decay of carbon-14. And finally, we'd like you to sketch a graph showing how to calculate the half-life of a radioactive source, and give 2 examples of how you could model this as well. The reason being is that they come up in exam questions frequently. So question number 5, you're going to compare contamination with irradiation. Funny enough, those are your 2 keywords to use in your answer. What's that all about? And then finally, question number 6, is a nuclear power station a good option for generating electricity? Now, you've got various reasons for and against, which I'd like you to discuss. Some of your keywords that you might include might be Chernobyl, waste and energy.
Okay, so the final questions on the atomic structure section. Question number 7, explain with examples background radiation. Okay, so tell me what it is, and then give me a few examples where the main amounts of background radiation come from in the UK. Question number 8, explain what a radioactive isotope is. So I need to know what a definition of an isotope is, and then the difference between an isotope and a radioactive isotope.